In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and head over into the More section of Roblox. Now in here, go ahead and click on Settings. So this will take you into your account settings. So go ahead and click on that button. Now in here, go ahead and click on account info. So since we are trying to look for the enabling of the voice chat, we'll need to go ahead and access account info settings first. So once you're in this section, you'll need to go ahead and click on privacy and content restrictions, since that functionality can only be enabled if you head over into the communications tab. So click on that communication, and then in here you'll need to go ahead and click on voice chat, and then make sure to enable this to be able to turn on or get voice chat on Roblox. Now if your account is under parental controls, you'll need to go ahead and disable that first before you enable this functionality for your account. And that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.